I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I losses, they lessons. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I losses, they lessons. And this stupid not ruin my session. I'm still getting money during a recession. I don't try, but somehow I be flexing, and that's probably why you're bitching on section. You can come outside without protection. You still last if you end up in second. Pussy good got me coming in second. They all throwing shots, but I in my direction. Heard you moving wrong, then we making correction. Ride the link while we texting. I know you want some affection. I told God I need something better than blessing. Owning my gifts, time to open the present. No credit, all cash, straight president. Said she wanna fuck, tell her meet me at my residence. Body to beat them, getting rid of evidence. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I losses, they lessons. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I losses, they lessons. Now losses, they lessons. Cause don't be scamming it only work if your bank account checkings. Once you get a certain level of knowledge, just try to use your mind as a weapon. And I don't wanna take my daughter to the doctor, they try and give her shots and injections. Go ahead, go shoot your shot, get rejected. Heard you challenge me, well I accept it. You kept a dragging the whole situation, I told you that you should've left it. And my flow is so sick, if you listen to this, that mean you probably infected. Hit me for the drugs, you know I'm connected. He ain't riding well, you just expected. Kill my brother, but he'll be resurrected. She say she in love, I guess that's what the sex did. Hit my phone, right away we be sexting. And my brother crossed me, yeah, that was unexpected.
She like, Rambo, where'd you get your weed from?
Bitch, stop asking me questions. Taking L's, then I lost they lessons. Can't wait to see Brown, I got so many questions. And I know I'ma get where I'm destined. I swore this nigga was savage before he got hit with the Weston. Before this shit show me affection. You be failing, you ain't learn your lesson. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I losses, they lessons. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I losses, they lessons.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the sword. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gold. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.